In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a menu to your Wix mobile site. Creating a seamless and user-friendly mobile experience is crucial in today's digital age, as more people are visiting websites on their smartphones. Let's walk through the process of setting up your menu on your Wix mobile site so that users can easily navigate through your content. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix website editor. Load up your website project so you can make the necessary adjustments. If you're unfamiliar with navigating through the Wix editor, this is the central hub where you can customize and manage your entire site. Consider it your virtual canvas where all your creative designs come to life. Once you've logged in and have your site open, we're ready to tackle the next step. Now, what we need to do is switch to the mobile view. You can do this easily by locating the option for switching to mobile in the Wix editor. This step is important because it allows you to see how the layout adjusts on a smaller screen, given that not all desktop elements are perfectly suited for a mobile view. When you click on this option, you'll be working exclusively on optimizing your website for mobile users. Next, on the editor interface, you'll notice an option called Menus and Pages. Click on that, which essentially opens up the navigation structure of your site. This is where you can add, remove, or reorder the pages that your visitors can access through the menu. It's like your site's command center for navigation. Once you're there, the fourth step involves clicking on More Settings. This is where the deeper customization options lie. It's great for you to delve into these to ensure your settings align with how you'd like the menu and layout to appear on mobile devices. Right after that, look for an option labeled Mobile Settings and click on it. This section is designed specifically to tweak elements that appear on mobile devices, ensuring that your audience has an optimal experience. This will guide you to options like toggling visibility and functionality specific to mobile players. Now we'll continue by selecting the Standard option. Selecting this ensures that your menu functions as it traditionally should, with familiar drop-downs or links that users expect, making navigation a breeze. Finally, take a moment to click on Hidden on Mobile. Here you can review what elements might be hidden in the mobile version. It's crucial to check that your menu isn't accidentally hidden, as this might make navigation impossible for mobile users. Ensuring it's visible will enable your visitors to move around your site efficiently. And that's it. By following these steps, you empower your visitors with a well-structured and accessible navigation experience on mobile devices. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in optimizing your Wix mobile site.